So this is the property we're looking at today, and we have got off-road parking with double gates and a pedestrian gate with this property. So beautiful day today, the sun is shining, really beautiful, and you can see the mountains in the backdrop there, really lovely. So we're going in here and there are a few steps up to the property. All right, so as I come up, I'm going to go up and show you the terrace upstairs first. Now just here you have got a terrace. Now this terrace, you can have a bistro table and chairs out here and just sit outside, and you can see that lemon tree. I think it's an orange tree, it's laden, so you could have fresh orange juice for your breakfast in the morning. So you can see that the tree is laden with fresh oranges, and you can have your fresh orange juice with your breakfast, and you can sit out here on a bistro table and chairs, if you can imagine it, in the sunshine, and have your breakfast. So let me take you around. Now just here is your driveway, so it's your off-road parking, okay? And just there you have a door into the back area where the pool is, and some storage and enough room for one car. So I'll take you back here now and we'll just go up and have a look at the terrace. Beautiful sunny day here in Murcia, and we're only about 10 minutes from the port of Matheron here, where you have a marina and beautiful beaches and loads of restaurants as well. So I've just come upstairs now, and this is a great place for private sunbathing, but in the terrace here you could use this as an office or just for storage. So as you can see, there is windows, there is one that you can open there, and this is a great place just for storing, but you could put a little office in here if you wanted an office. Okay. So I'm going to take you downstairs and we'll have a look around the rest of the property. So I'm back down the stairs, and that doorway leads to the garden and the front of the property. So we'll be just going in through this door. We'll have a look around the pool area in a few moments. So I've got the door open, and as I walk in, we come in to a galley kitchen. You have an integrated electric hob, electric oven, and just above you have your extractor hood. Plenty of top, and you've got base units there and drawers. Your fridge freezer, and it's all fully tiled. So just here we have some base units. You have worktop space and a unit above, and your sink and drainer. And this leads into this beautiful open plan living space and dining area. But first of all, I am going to take you through the archway and show you the 2 bedrooms and the family bathrooms. So let's go through here first. So in this room you've got switches and sockets on either side of the bed. You have aircon and you have ceiling light and fan. You've also got an ensuite just there with a semi-frosted sliding glass door. And if I just come across here, you can see that you have a single double wardrobe. Okay, so let's go inside, have a look around the ensuite. So we've just come into the ensuite. You have modern WC sink and vanity unit. You've got your frosted glass window. You have got some storage, and you've got an overhead heater just there. Semi-frosted glass sliding door to the bedroom. And if I pan around, so just here you have your towel rack. You have a vanity unit with the sink, and you've got your modern mirror. You've also got your shower there with a clear screen, shower screen, rain head shower, and some beautiful floor tiles. This bathroom has been modernised and it's just a lovely space. So let me take you outside now and we'll go into the next room. Just pan around to let you have a look, and of course this bedroom overlooks the swimming pool as well. So I'm just going to take you into the next bedroom straight across. In this bedroom you have aircon, switches and sockets on either side of the bed. You have blackout blinds and wreckers on the windows, and you've got your ceiling light and fan. If I come over here, you can see you have large double wardrobes, sliding doors. And I just like to take the rooms at different angles so you can see. You also have points there for a TV if you want to put a TV on a bracket. Okay. So just in here we are now going into the family bathroom. And as you can see, beautiful flooring throughout in these bathrooms. You've got a nice sink and vanity unit there, modern WC, frosted glass window, and again a modern mirror. Just in here you have got your shower, single cubicle with a semi-frosted glass door, and it is a rain head shower. Just above the door, of course, you have got a heater and your remote control and your shaving socket just there. Okay. I'll open the door so you can have a better look. And as you can see, it's a nice rain head shower there. So just here you have your dining area, and you've got that half circular wall. It's goes up through, and it's from the terrace. And I just pan round here for you, so you can get a nice feel of this room. You have your ceiling light and fan. You have your aircon. Lovely doors out into your outside space, and you have a log burner. These log burners throw loads of heat out in the winter months. I'll just take the room at a different angle for you. So outside the window there, you put bistro table and chairs. Pick the oranges off your own orange tree for fresh orange juice with your breakfast. So let's go on through and we go outside and have a look around the pool area. As you can see, there is an insect screen here as well. Now just as I come out the door, as you can see, lovely little seating area here, and it's in the shade. So that's before we go around to the pool area. Just thought I'd show you the other angle of this area here. Now in here you have some insect screens, and this is your outside space. This is not glass now, this is just an insect screen, so those warm summer breezes can still come through. Okay, now I'm just taking you in here. Now this is where you could sit with family and friends, enjoy some outside dining, and you've got your TV out here as well as the light, so you could sit out here in the evening. So I've just took another angle. Now this is your outside space, and of course it is sheltered, and you have got more outside space there for dining just by the pool. Now I do realise that the kitchen is compact, so I'm going to show you something that I think is really clever use of space. Now what they've done out here is you've got 2 cupboards, and in this one they got the washing machine and you got a large boiler. Okay, plenty of shelving as well. Nice flooring at the bottom there. And just along here is another cupboard. In this cupboard you have freezer, as you can see, a small freezer, and you've got a fridge. So you don't need all that space inside in the kitchen, because you've also got this beautiful outside space, and you've got 2 choices: to be directly outside in the sunshine or just inside with a little bit of shelter. Okay, so you've got a beautiful pool here as well, and of course they got that ensuite in there, which is quite unusual. Just down here is the back door, and that's out to the off-road parking. Okay, as you can see, you have it all grassed and all raised for privacy, so it's very private garden. I'm just going to come across here, go in the shade. You've got these beautiful glass work all around the property. It's really nice. I'll come in the shade here just to give you a feel for this space. How wonderful is this property? So I'm coming down here. You've obviously got outside solar lights. You've got the tree of life. Got your barbecue there. And your outside space again. Outside dining area. And we're looking over the pool. So what a beautiful property this is. Very private, and you got your own pool. And you're only about 10 minutes drive from all the local beaches and the port and the marina down in Matheron, the port of Matheron. So I will leave the reference number in the title of this video. So when you contact us, don't forget to put your own contact details in the email info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and do check out our website. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and until the next time, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.